Before buying a video editing monitor, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Samsung 27-inch Essential S3. Priced at just $127.39, this monitor caught my attention because of its immersive curved design and solid features for video editing. If you want an engaging viewing experience that keeps you focused on your work, this is worth a serious look. The 27-inch curved screen enhances depth perception, making it easier to edit and review your footage without distractions. With a full HD 1080p resolution, every detail pops, allowing you to see colors accurately, crucial for video production. Plus, the 100Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and playback, so you won't miss a beat during those fast-paced editing sessions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on dynamic content, this monitor helps you catch those subtle movements that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, some people complain that the contrast ratio of 3000 to 1 can make dark scenes look less detailed. Here's the thing though, unless you're working heavily with dark footage, it's not a deal breaker. The curved design and eye care features more than make up for it, particularly during long editing stints. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable monitor that immerses you in your videos. Skip this one if you're focused on working with high contrast projects regularly. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the curved design of the S3 isn't your style, the next option we have is a flat monitor that also packs a punch. Product number 2, Samsung 32-inch Odyssey G55C, priced at $189.99. This monitor caught my eye thanks to its stunning QHD resolution and immersive viewing experience. If you're serious about video editing and want vibrant visuals, this is definitely worth considering. The 32-inch curved display with a 1440p resolution offers a sharp and detailed view, making it easier to spot fine details in your footage. The 165Hz refresh rate means that even when you're scrolling through timelines or editing fast clips, everything remains smooth and responsive. What's crucial for video editing is the HDR10 support, which enhances color depth, letting you see a wider range of hues and contrasts. This can be a game changer when you're color grading your content. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Vivid highlights and deep shadows can make your videos look more professional and engaging. However, some reviewers have mentioned that the glossy finish can create glare under certain lighting conditions. I'll be real with you, if you edit in a brightly lit room, this could be a downside. But for most setups, the benefits definitely outweigh this minor issue. This monitor is ideal if you want a higher resolution display that enhances your editing workflow without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a smaller desk space, since it's quite large. At this price point, it delivers fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a compact setup. Product number 3, Olly Prenatal Multivitamin Gummy. If you're looking for something a bit more fun, check out the Olly Prenatal Multivitamin Gummy. This is the #1 gummy supplement brand, and they really nailed the taste here. It's priced competitively for a gummy, making it accessible for many expecting moms. If you want a tasty way to get essential nutrients, this is worth a serious look. These gummies contain folic acid and DHA, both of which are crucial for your baby's development, especially for brain health. The vitamin A included supports your baby's eye health, while vitamin D boosts your immune system, which is vital during pregnancy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes taking your prenatal vitamins feel less like a chore and more like a treat, which is great for those who struggle with pills. However, some folks pointed out that you need to take 2 gummies daily, which can add up in terms of sugar intake. It's not a huge amount, but if you're limiting sugar, this could be a concern. That said, the benefits typically outweigh this minor drawback for most. This is perfect for you if you have a hard time swallowing pills and want an enjoyable way to get your vitamins. Skip this one if you're strictly avoiding sugar, or if you prefer more concentrated forms of vitamins. For the taste and convenience, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something that combines convenience with a reliable nutrient profile, the next one offers just that. Product number 4, Samsung 32-inch flat monitor. The next contender is the Samsung 32-inch flat monitor, priced at $149. This one grabbed my attention due to its borderless design and solid performance for video editing. If you're after a sleek aesthetic with great functionality, this is definitely worth considering. The flat 32-inch screen with full HD resolution provides a spacious workspace, making it easier to manage multiple editing windows. Thanks to the 75 Hz refresh rate, you can expect smooth visuals without the annoying ghosting effect, which can be a real problem during fast cuts. Plus, the AMD FreeSync technology helps reduce screen tearing, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're in the thick of editing, the last thing you want is distractions from your display. On the downside, some users mention that the color accuracy isn't as high as some premium monitors. However, I'll be real with you. For under $150, the performance you get is still impressive, especially if you're just starting out. This is perfect for you if you want a large monitor that enhances your editing experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a pro editor needing top-tier color accuracy. For the price, it's a solid option. Now, if you want something that's specifically designed for gaming but also great for video editing, the last product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G5, priced at $149.99. What got me curious about this monitor is its QHD resolution and gaming features that can really enhance video editing. If you want a dual-purpose monitor that looks great and performs well, this is definitely a contender. The 27-inch screen with 1440p resolution delivers incredibly sharp images, making it easier to edit with precision. The 180 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time mean that your edits will be fluid and responsive, especially when you're working on action-packed sequences. Plus, the HDR10 support gives you that extra depth in colors, which is critical for video editing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just about aesthetics, it helps deliver a polished final product. Some users have reported that the matte finish can sometimes dull colors slightly. But honestly, I think the benefits of smoother gameplay and editing far outweigh this minor complaint. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a monitor that excels in both gaming and video editing. Skip this if you're only focused on professional-grade editing. For $149.99, you really can't go wrong with the features it offers. So there you have it, 5 solid video editing monitors under $300. From the immersive Samsung 27-inch Essential S3 to the versatile Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G5, there's something in this list for everyone. Consider your specific needs and pick the one that fits your video editing workflow best.